Camp Nou is changing piece by piece. New elements are being installed, key structures are being prepared, and visible progress is shaping the next phase of the rebuild. In this update, we focus only on what has moved forward today. Let's take a look at the latest construction progress. In the upper structure, cranes were actively lifting construction materials onto elevated platforms. Workers were securing steel elements, cables, and support components, indicating that this area is being prepared for the next installation phase. The positioning of materials suggests upcoming work related to structural connections and facade support systems at higher levels of the stadium. The first facade louver has now been installed at the corner section. This confirms the official start of exterior cladding in this zone. The mounting points are now active, and the completed installation of this first panel shows that alignment and bracket systems are ready to receive additional louvers in the coming stages. Several vertical pillars remain partially enclosed in formwork following recent concrete pouring. These sections are expected to be stripped soon, completing this stage of structural reinforcement and allowing finishing works to proceed. Along the lateral side, several new louvers have been fixed onto the lower bracket structures. Compared to the previous day, this section now shows clear and visible expansion of the facade coverage. Only small gaps remain in this segment, indicating that this area is approaching completion of the current cladding phase. Large prefabricated components for the compression ring remain positioned on site near the structure. These elements are staged and aligned for future installation, indicating that preparation for the next major structural phase is underway. The size and positioning of these components confirm that the compression ring installation stage is approaching. Hydraulic tools were used to break and drill sections of the concrete slab in multiple areas. This work appears to be related to anchor installation and structural integration, preparing the surface for future connections and reinforcements. At the parking ramp, formwork panels are being removed from the concrete walls. Some sections have already been stripped while others remain covered, confirming that concrete works are complete and finishing operations are now underway in this area. In the north goal, multiple new facade supports have been installed on both the left and right sides of the structure. These supports are aligned along the internal beams, forming the base framework required for louver installation. The speed of installation in this area indicates that the north goal is being prepared as one of the next major sections for exterior facade work. Several trailers loaded with prefabricated seating and stair units have been delivered to the north goal area. These concrete elements are staged close to the structure, indicating upcoming interior assembly. In the tribune zone, additional prefabricated stairs and seating units have been delivered. Steel brackets on the second and third levels still require surface finishing and painting. Insulation layers have been installed, followed by renewed plasterboard application, confirming advancement in internal enclosure and acoustic treatment. The diamond-shaped storefront structure has now been fully painted in gray. Construction materials previously stored in this zone have been relocated, showing that the area is being prepared for the next phase of facade and finishing integration. Work across the site continues steadily, with key developments including new facade supports in the north stand, first louver installation at the corner, additional louvers along the lateral side, ongoing wall demolition, and continued interior structural preparation. These updates confirm consistent forward momentum in both exterior cladding and internal structural completion. That concludes our today's update. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like. It really supports the channel. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future Camp Nou construction updates. See you in the next one.